In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Chase balance or transaction history not loading. First, completely close the Chase app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and remove the app from your recent apps list. Then reopen it and check if the issue is resolved. Next, make sure the Chase app is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Chase Mobile, and install any available updates. An outdated version of the app can sometimes cause loading issues. You should also check your internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and then reload the app. Network issues can prevent account information from syncing properly. If the problem continues, sign out of your Chase account and then sign back in. This can refresh your session and fix temporary account sync problems. On Android devices, you can also clear the app cache. Long press on Chase app, tap on App Info, then select Storage and tap Clear Cache. Then reopen the app and check your balance again. Keep in mind that Chase occasionally performs system maintenance, especially during late-night hours. If the issue occurs around that time, wait 10 to 15 minutes and try again. That's how you can fix Chase balance or transaction history not loading. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.